Unraveling the meaning of shark tales in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, shark tales. This phrase isn't just about sea creatures. It has a deeper and more figurative meaning in English. Let's dive in and understand what it really signifies. First, let's break down the phrase. Shark refers to the large, predatory fish known for their sharp teeth and powerful build. Tales, on the other hand, are stories or accounts of events. So, literally, shark tales could mean stories about sharks. But there's more to it in the English language. In English, when we use the phrase shark tales, we often mean more than just stories about sharks. It's used metaphorically to refer to exaggerated or unbelievable stories. These tales are so wild or dramatic, they might remind you of the surprise and fear one might feel when encountering a shark. Let's see some examples. 1. His shark tales about his adventures always amaze us. Here, it implies the person tells exciting but possibly exaggerated stories about his experiences. 2. I love listening to Grandpa's shark tales about the sea. This suggests Grandpa tells thrilling, possibly embellished, stories about his time at sea. It's important to use this phrase in the right context. You can use it when you're referring to stories that seem too dramatic or exaggerated to be true. It's often used in a light-hearted or humorous manner. Shark tales is a great example of how English phrases can have meanings beyond their literal interpretation. These phrases add color and expression to the language. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep exploring English, and you'll discover many more such fascinating phrases.